Today's top 25 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates.
Arch Linux disables AUR package adoption. Arch Linux has disabled adoption of orphaned packages in the Arch user repository AUR due to malicious package adoptions and follow-up commits, which have been spreading remote access Trojans that upload user data over the Tor network. This move follows a previous campaign, where attackers created new accounts to push malware updates, prompting the temporary suspension of new account registration in June. Turn on Microsoft Edge's Scareware Blocker before you need it. Microsoft Edge's Scareware Blocker uses AI to identify fake websites and warn users before interaction, performing analysis locally without transmitting images or website addresses. The feature is enabled by default on most Windows PCs with at least 2 GB RAM and 5 cores, but can be toggled on/off through the Edge settings menu. Russian-speaking hacker uses Google Gemini CLI to control botnet of 8 dental clinic PCs. A Russian-speaking hacker, known as Bandcampro, used Google's open-source Gemini CLI artificial intelligence to control a botnet of 8 dental clinic PCs and access their open dental database. The AI was used to set up a command and control server, deploy and operate the CNC infrastructure, and proactively propose improvements without being asked. New Click Lock malware locks your Mac until you hand over your password. New Click Lock malware has been detected in 33 countries, targeting Mac users by locking their screens until they enter their passwords. The malware then accesses keychain data, saved logins, and crypto wallets before installing a permanent backdoor. Golden Eye Dog subgroup link to DigiCert breach and code signing certificate theft. Cybersecurity researchers have attributed the April 2026 DigiCert security incident to a subgroup of Golden Eye Dog, a Chinese cybercrime group active since at least 2015. The attackers stole code signing certificates intended for DigiCert customers using malware that access to support members' device, highlighting their capabilities and operator skills.
Bring GitHub context into Rovo with the Teamwork Graph Connector for GitHub. Atlassian has launched the Teamwork Graph Connector for GitHub, allowing software teams to bring GitHub context into Rovo and connect eligible data across Jira, Confluence, and other platforms. This integration aims to provide a clearer understanding of project progress, reduce review time, and improve handoff efficiency by linking code changes to underlying plans and decisions. From tool to teammate, how one Atlassian team made AI a real coworker. Atlassian's People Insights team has successfully integrated artificial intelligence, AI, as a genuine collaborator by giving it persistent access to their context, data, definitions, and workflows, allowing AI to act as a real coworker. This approach, known as context engineering, enables AI to have direct access to personal and team information, facilitating efficient collaboration. Is Atlassian Corporation, team, a good stock to buy now? Atlassian Corporation's stock price was $79.26 as of June 29th, with a forward PE ratio of 12.03. The company reported re-accelerated growth in Q3 FY 2026, with revenue increasing 31.7% year-over-year to $1.79 billion, and cloud revenue growing 28.6%. Jira Ticket MCP-021. The Jira Ticket MCP-021 software update is experiencing technical difficulties, preventing users from accessing certain site features, potentially due to browser extensions, network issues, or browser settings. How Axel Springer is using Rovo Dev to help engineering teams focus on higher-value work. Axel Springer, a global media and technology company, is utilizing Rovo Dev to enable its engineering teams to focus on higher-value work by streamlining software development processes. The goal is not solely to increase velocity, but rather to ensure engineers are working on tasks that drive product progress, rather than repetitive scaffolding. Jira Nano 050. Jira Nano 050, a lightweight issue tracker, has been released as feature complete on PyPy. It uses a Git repository as the source of record and a Telegram bot mirror for human communication, offering AI-native features and exposure to AI agents through an MCP server and HTTP API. The Bread Paradox, Why Convenience Always Wins and Why SaaS Isn't Doomed. Author J.A. Westenberg reflects on the bread paradox, where despite having a bread machine that simplifies the process, he still prefers to buy pre-made bread from the store. This phenomenon is used to illustrate why software as a service, SaaS, companies are unlikely to be threatened by the rise of self-service options. Atlassian evolves Jira into an orchestration hub for developers and AI agents. Atlassian has updated Jira to serve as an orchestration hub for developers and AI agents, introducing the Jira Planner feature that enables users to transform incomplete project ideas into technical specifications. This move aims to streamline collaboration between humans and AI-powered agents in software development projects. Jira Nano 060. Jira Nano 060 has been released, but users are experiencing issues accessing the site due to JavaScript being disabled in their browsers. Automate coding agent workflows with Jira automation rules. Jira Automation now enables organizations to automate workflows with AI coding agents like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Claude, streamlining software delivery by connecting agents to their system of record. This open control plane allows for event-driven loops that trigger agents when real engineering conditions are met, eliminating bottlenecks in human queues and manual intervention. Atlassian's AI pivot is starting to challenge Wall Street's bear case. Atlassian's shares have risen 4.24 to $107.95 after repositioning itself at the center of how AI is used in software teams, contrary to market fears that AI would disrupt its business. The company is set to report earnings in early August, and analysts expect significant upside from current levels. Grafana Assistant expands to more than 30 data sources. Grafana Labs expanded Grafana Assistant's capabilities to query over 30 data sources through natural language, enabling unified observability for operators, developers, and SREs to investigate incidents without switching between multiple monitoring tools. This enhancement builds on the company's AI strategy to eliminate fragmented operational data spread across disconnected platforms. Atlas Docs Jira 091. The Atlas Docs Jira 091 software release requires JavaScript to function properly and is currently inaccessible due to browser-related issues, potentially caused by extensions, network problems, or browser settings. Swimlane AI Soch automates security operations for MSSPs. Swimlane launches Swimlane AI Soch for managed security service providers, MSSPs, designed to empower them through agentic AI automation rather than competing for customers. The solution automates alert handling, allowing analysts to support more clients without adding headcount and improving customer outcomes while driving down costs. Why AI alone isn't enough for enterprises, and what Mercedes-Benz did about it. Mercedes-Benz's experience highlights the limitations of artificial intelligence, AI, in enterprises, as even capable AI models struggle to connect with the complexities of work across tools, teams, data, and decisions. 1Password Privileged Access removes standing access for AI agents. 1Password Privileged Access has removed standing access for AI agents, introducing logging and attribution for auditing and compliance purposes. The move builds on technology acquired through the company's June acquisition of Apono and integrates with Unified Access Platform. Bitbucket Jira CLI 102. Bitbucket Jira CLI 102 has been released, allowing users to interact with Jira and Bitbucket from the command line. Context-based plugin Jira 057. The context-based plugin Jira 057 update is experiencing technical difficulties, resulting in an error message and inability to load specific site components due to JavaScript being disabled in the user's browser. Jira Assistant 120. Jira Assistant 120 is a package that connects Excel with Jira, allowing users to collect ideas and gather information from the Jira platform for use in Excel files. The tool enables creation of new stories on Jira, custom filtering, and sorting of Excel rows using various algorithms. Censorship lawsuit against disinformation researchers dismissed after succeeding at actual censorship. A lawsuit against disinformation researchers filed by Trump-appointed Louisiana federal judge Terry Doughty was dismissed. The suit claimed censorship, but the researchers' actual work involved being moderated on social media for spreading misinformation. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.